Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Now this video is to address the last video I made on the channel. That video was about should teenagers be allowed to wear makeup in school. And when I say teenagers, I specifically said, age 13, 14, 15 and so on. And I went on to say that I don't believe they should be wearing makeup or be focused on wearing makeup and prettying up, and also covering up their innocence, or even hiding their true features, their skin tone, whether they have bumps and stuff like that. Also went on to say that they should be playing and sweating and smelling green, which when I made video I put I try to put humor in it. I try to laugh, because that's just my personality and that's just how I deliver my videos. Now, the first thing I want to address is that I'm in no way commanding people to do anything. When I make my videos, I give my opinion, and yes, sometimes I might tell people, hey, this is what you need to do, or this is what you can do, but I'm not telling kids to, hey, do this. I'm suggesting that this is what you should do. This is what kids are supposed to do. I was a child, and these are my beliefs. So I don't know why people getting upset with me saying that the parents should be the ones doing this and doing that. If I can't reach the parents, then I'm going to reach the child. So if I can give the child advice, then I'm going to give the child advice. If the parents is watching, they're going to get this advice. I can't specifically say parents only or talk to parents only. I'll be just cutting my audience in half, because I have a wide range of audience. I have audience from actually 12, 13 years old go up to like 65, so I have a wide range of people that I cater to. So I can't just single out one set of people and hey, I'm talking to you and you only, and kids shouldn't watch this. No, I can't do that. So I have to keep it. I have to be general when I'm making my video. The next thing that I want to clear up is that I'm not against makeup. I'm not against adults wearing makeup. Adults can do whatever they want to do. They can wear whatever they want to wear, whether it be panties alone out on the road, whether it be body full of makeup. They can do whatever they want to do. I was advocating for kids. I was saying that little girls should be little girls. Little girls should enjoy their childhood. Little girls should be little girls and not trying to be adults, not wearing makeup when they're supposed to be playing with dolly, when they're supposed to be sweating. So I was just saying that kids should act like kids. Kids should enjoy their childhood, focus on those enjoying themselves and playing with dollies and stuff like that. You don't have to be adding all those adult stuff on you, makeup and all those stuff, going to school and changing the way you look and all like that. You should focus on school. So I literally don't know why females, getting upset and getting angry at me, thinking that I'm against makeup and I'm old-fashioned or I'm boring. No, I'm not. I'm just saying that when kids start to act like adults before they're adults, it can be dangerous. It can get worse. Once you give a child an inch, they're going to take a yard. Once you give a girl child too much freedom, too much flexibility without managing that child properly, without balancing stuff for that child, they're kids, they're going to take advantage of it. They're going to abuse the situation. I was a child as well. I used to abuse situation. I used to go on my trickeries and tell lies and come up with stuff when I want to do stuff. We were all kids, so don't you pretend and watch my videos and act like these kids are perfect when you know that they're not, and when some of you yourselves behave badly and go people yard and do all kind of things that you're not supposed to do. So don't act like these kids nowadays are all perfect and you give them a little leeway and they're going to stay all nice and everything. No, the same thing that our parents did, our grandparents did while they were kids, is the same thing that we're doing now. So don't act as if these children are perfect or any better than us when we were kids. No, it's the same thing been happening for years. So I won't come on here and act like, oh, kids are perfect and kids that wear makeup don't try and look older men, and these little girls don't tell lie about their age and get caught up in all kind of foolishness. I won't pretend and act all decent, and you guys are okay if you want to do that, but I won't. And I like to address this issue. Yes, parents should take more responsibility in raising their child, but if I can have my opinion and talk about a topic and give advice, then I'm going to do so. So you cannot tell me that, oh, I shouldn't do this and I should say that. I'm going to say it. If you don't like it, then that's your business, but I'm going to say how I feel about certain things. As long as I'm not disrespecting anyone, as long as I'm not sending the wrong message or trying to hurt people in a negative way or anything like that, then I'll continue to make my videos and share my opinion. So you can tell me that, oh, I shouldn't come on people and this and that. No, I will do what I feel like to do as long as it is in a positive light. So if I don't believe that females, young little girls should wear makeup, I'm going to say, young little girls, you should not wear makeup, whether you like it or not. If your parents allow you to wear makeup, fine, that's your problem. I don't have a problem with it. But if the little girls that are watching my videos can actually take my advice, calm down a little bit and relax and enjoy their childhood, then I've touched their life and I've helped change them to in a positive way, so they can actually enjoy their childhood before they rush into adulthood, and when they get all stressful and those stuff. Enjoying each stage is the best thing you can do, because a lot of adults right now wish they were kids again, wish they didn't rush or were forced into adulthood at an early stage. So that's what I'm advocating for. Also, females made the point on the video that makeup is an art, and what if they want to do that in the future? There's no problem. Yes, it can be an art, but why should they wear it at school? Why should they wear it out in public? Why can't they practice and wear it at home and wipe off the makeup and be a child? Why do they have to dress up and act like they're adults and all those stuff? I'm not saying that makeup make them act like adults. I'm just saying it helps them to feel like, oh, I'm wearing makeup, adults are wearing makeup, I can do this, and you know, it's a part of adulthood. When makeup is advertising, makeup was not made for kids. Makeup was made for adults. Makeup wasn't geared towards kids. Makeup was made for adults, enhancing their look, covering up cracks and whatever you want to call it. It wasn't made for little kids and stuff like that. So when you guys trying to defend kids wearing makeup, it's like you're defending kids wearing tattoos, or kids wearing all type of piercing and all those stuff, kids wearing skimpy clothes. Oh, they should be an object to men, they should wear whatever they want, and they should do this and do that. Instead of allowing your kids to be kids and dressing them properly and covering up their body and protecting their body, you're advocating for them wearing skimpy clothes for the predators them out there to draw them away. So you're making it more appealing for these pedophiles to pull your kids away. Then you're going to say, oh, men shouldn't do that. It's like this. People having unprotected sex, right? Putting their life in other people's hands. They're not taking responsibility and protecting themselves, you know. They're not doing that. They're saying, oh, that guy should have worn a condom. Oh, that guy should have did this. He should have protected me. So what about you? What about taking responsibility for yourself? It's the same thing. What about taking responsibility for the child? What about us as young adults encouraging this child to wear longer clothes, to not wear makeup, to not put on tattoo before time, dressing properly and covering up yourself and being a child? We as young adults shouldn't tell them that, or we should leave them to the mercy of the world and let them do whatever they want because they have the freedom to. No, I won't do that. I won't do that. So even if people are not in agreement with me, at least I'm speaking the truth and speaking the right thing. Because if I have a daughter, I won't allow her to wear any skimpy clothes on the road for men to be looking at her. I won't allow my son to drop in pants and all of that. Not saying that you're always going to be there, but at least when your kid is leaving out, you know that you leave in proper clothes. You leave them, they leave in the house dressed properly and covering up themselves. So the issue I have is people defending this thing where kids wearing makeup and they should do what they want to do and blah blah blah. I'm not in support of that. I have my beliefs and you have your beliefs, and that's it. You know, I believe in, you know, the straight and narrow and protecting kids and kids acting like kids, and I believe that adults should act like adults, and that's just how it is. So, you know, that's where I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Leave your comments below if you want to, cuss me out if you want to. Yeah, I'll be posting more videos. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm out.